Supercomputers. They're the catalyst behind many of the most incredible, life-altering scientific discoveries, performing countless computations to model and analyze the world's most complex problems. Intel Xeon processors currently power over 75% of the world's supercomputing centers. And now, Intel is introducing the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor, enabling the next generation of research and discovery. So what is it? Compared to a typical Intel Xeon E5 processor, the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor has far more, but smaller processor cores, many more hardware threads, and wider vector units. While the cores run at a lower clock frequency, having many more cores delivers greater parallelism, up to 1 teraflops of aggregate performance for highly parallel tasks. Besides incredible performance, a significant advantage of the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor versus accelerators is that it's Intel architecture, capable of hosting an operating system so it's ready for your existing applications. While any application can run purely on the multi-core main processor or the many-core coprocessor, the most optimized applications will utilize both. For example, your main program can run on your primary processor while offloading highly parallel routines to the coprocessor. Or it may be optimal to split your application symmetrically on both the Intel Xeon processor and Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor, specifically choosing where to assign each function. Your existing parallel algorithms can be shifted to run on the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor by adding a pragma to the code and recompiling. The most important step is to optimize your code to take advantage of the parallelization opportunities. Fortunately, industry-standard tools, such as those from Intel, can advise where parallelism could have the most impact, and performance profiling can help to ensure you're maximizing the potential of the available cores. So, can your application benefit from running on an Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor? It really comes down to 2 key characteristics. First, how parallel are the parallel segments of your application? Can those segments scale to 100 or more simultaneously running threads? And second, can your application take advantage of the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor's advanced data parallelism features, such as its 512-bit vector width or its greater local memory bandwidth? If you answered yes to both questions, there's a good chance the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor can increase your application's performance. Our online resources can help you determine whether the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor can benefit your application. The good news for developers is that Intel Xeon Phi coprocessors provide the opportunity to optimize and test various offload strategies with their existing Intel architecture-based code, instead of having to write code from scratch for a new proprietary architecture and hope it was worth the effort. Moreover, optimizing your application for Intel Xeon Phi coprocessors can also boost performance, even when running on an Intel Xeon processor. And if your highly parallel workloads can benefit from greater scale, you can create incredibly powerful, high-performance clusters of servers with Intel Xeon Phi coprocessors. So ask yourself, are you ready for the next level of discovery and research? Get there by taking advantage of the massively parallel capabilities of the Intel Xeon Phi coprocessor. Visit us on the web to find out more.